why these combos are important, and actually why I'm writing the book, is to clarify exactly what the point and value of the masculine essence is, right? Because it's very vague. Because it used to be in roles. I'm the farmer. You can't survive without me. I'm the warrior. You can't survive. But now she can. You're a police officer, she'll call, and she's in a gated community. And all that's structured by men, but it's not a direct man anymore. It's kind of a societal man.
It's not an individual. It's
right.
Man.
Right. It's the man. The societal constructs. This is well, I mean, and he's sitting there like, well, I guess you got a point. I don't really know what I bring.
So how does a man provide and protect and show up for?
And that's what he has to relearn. She said there's no real place to, or even reason sometimes to expand, right? And so the question is, what is a guy to do? Right? What does expansion actually look like in a modern context? Because let's be honest, the blacksmith AI, right?
Right.
The farmer, Walmart. So a lot of the traditional male roles have been
eliminated,
they've been technologicalized, if that's the word. Like, because Walmart's technology is just a place it's the new farm.
Right.
You go there and get whatever the hell you want. You go to, and so, in the context of the black woman, if he's trying to come back into that role, and she's thinking, one, she's scared, right? Because one of the things I hear a lot from women, it's funny because I never deal with backlash in the way that I talk about women being masculine. Never experienced that. And I always wondered, how can they tell immediately? Because they're always feminine. No matter how masculine they typically are, they're always feminine. And so it's always interesting to me. I'm like, how do they know what to signal of? Okay, I can be feminine in this context and be relaxed, and in this context, I need to have my guard up because I don't know if this guy can handle it. But that aside, she's thinking, well, if I risk it and he's drops the ball, then got to pull the pants back up, and they hate doing that, right? And so then now they're like, fuck, I let my guard down, and now such and such. And so that's a risk, right? We got to take that in context. But secondly, I make just as much money, hypothetically, or more, or whatever. It's irrelevant. And I don't technically need you to farm. I don't need you to, change my tire in that way, and not in a direct way, like in the past. And so that leaves the average black man in a position where he's already lost, but now he's like, well, damn, I can't out farm Walmart. I can't out mechanic Pep Boys, and so he's like, shit, what can I bring? It's not a matter of they can't change a tire anymore. It's a matter of what good is that, And so what is a woman actually looking for, and what is a guy to do